Damn, I'm on my way to... My camera still has some memory. That's beautiful right there. So here we are, currently, Magbino, I believe, is the main place I'm at right now. I just borrowed this motorcycle. Shout out to Sir Thrice and Sir Lloyd from freaking MOTOVLOGS Lucena branch. You know what I'm saying? Look at this shit though, god damn. Look at this shit. This place looks awesome. Look at the motorcycle, it's a Triumph and it's 200. Yeah, this place is cool as fuck, bro, as fuck. Alright, so I just had a quick stopover at this beautiful location. Let me show you once again. Damn, I'm on my way to, I forgot the name's resort. I'll just mention it later on. Yeah, I see this beautiful cow. I see this guy here whistling. That little bitch, I don't know what he's doing. Probably taking a shit or something. And just put my gloves on so we can get back going. Malapit na po ako, so mga 15 minutes na lang. Sabi merong off-road, sabi nung kausap ko sa chat, maputik daw sa kanila ngayon. And I said like, hey, military backpack right here. Oh shit, bigat. I'm quite tired from the ride already. Thank you Lord for this beautiful day. Let's get going, motherfucker. Shish! Yeah, let's go! No. Checkpoint. Vaccine card tsaka ID po ano?
Hindi na po,
Vaccine card na lang.
Ano pa ako makapasok sa inyo yan?
Ano nang ginawa mo dito?
Magkano pa?
20 pesos na lang.
Opo. Okay, kaya yan, kaya yan. Ah, dito ba? Dito bang daan? Ah, okay, kaya yan. Pambala. Pataas naman yung motor. Thank you. So I guess this is the end of the road and it's time for freaking off-road riding.
12 seconds later.
Oh my god, it is fucking deep. Oh, it's so deep. Dito sa gitna. Oh, good lord. Good lord, this is so deep. Yep, car wash definitely after this ride. Oh my god, wrong choice. Oh god, this is even worse. This even looks worse. Saan nakadadaan dito? Yep, goodbye Crocs. Yeah, I guess just support. Yep, good thing I got these off-road tires with me right now. They weren't joking. I thought they were kidding or something. They were not joking. That's a fact. Hopefully hindi ako madudulas. Yep, ito na nga. Ito na nga. Need traction from somewhere. Here we go. God, I got stuck. Oh no. They were not kidding. They were not kidding. Oh god. They were definitely not kidding. Okay, this bag now. So fucking. Yep. Yep, super muddy. I don't think I'll make it here. This is fucking shit. Literally. I have to cross this first. Because I can't cross here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I'm gonna in there. Okay. Oh my god, that will not work either. I'm in a very, very bad spot at the moment. Yep, this will not work. Shit. Yep, worst experience of ever. Sakit, honestly. I don't know if I can put this out here. Ouch, my feet hurt. Ipit na yung pa ako. Good thing I didn't wear shoes. Oh man, oh wow. I don't know where I'm gonna cross this right now. Tulong kaya ako. So it's the end. Kaya lang ko muna. Look at this shit. So sobrang dulas. The tires don't have traction anymore. God. Oh boy. So, to cut the fucking long story short, never go this route. After the fucking checkpoint, you will see a fucking barricade with Mountain Dew bottles. Don't go this route. They didn't tell me that there's a, an alternative route to avoid this piece of crap and get the fucking out somewhere there without this piece of crap, you know? Shout out sa inyo, mga taga dito. Pakisabi po muna sa mga terorista sa mga turista na wag dito dumaan, unless of course it's not wet and it's not muddy like this motherfucker right here. I had to ask assistance from a dude. Look at these tires, they don't look so well to me right now. Fucking exhausted, man. God damn. Get back on the track real quick first. Ano kaya? Okay. Sige, sige. Yup, ganda na, hindi ako nadulas. Oh, ganun din eh. It's even worse. This one goes downhill. This is tiring. And my feet get stuck on this weed. Aray! Sakit. If this place isn't worthy going to, I'm not going back, man. Seriously. I will probably never go back there. Oh, my balls! Oh, I hate it. I'm not coming back ever. Oh God. Oh, haha, I'm here. I'm fucking here. What? Not yet here? Oh God damn. Just rinse off my feet here. Christ! Where's reception? Finally here. Set up my tent, got me some takeout food from Food Panda, and I'm by the beach. Actually nagkasugod pa ako kanina. That's all good, man. I'm having coffee right now, just finished lunch. You won't be able to see any more GoPro footage. I only have one SD card with me, I'm guessing. Yeah, I do. So napuno na siya kanina, so cellphone footage na lang, pero okay naman siguro yan.
2 hours later.
So it actually turns out my camera still has some memory in it. You know, I'm not sure if you can actually hear me, so I'm raising my voice and shit. But boy, this place is quite beautiful. Like, out of 10, I would rate this like a 6. Mainly due to the fact of the way coming here. It just sucks, but hey, can't do that, can you? That's beautiful right there. So here's my quick setup. I have Food Panda food. Borrowed the speaker. Shout out to Kadong. Thank you very much for letting me borrow that speaker. Ace Hardware waterproof tent. Got my Lucas balaclava, thank you sir, Trice. And yeah, there are only 3 guests right now. Me, a couple over there will have an automatic tent, and then a family over there who's probably celebrating like a birthday or something. But yeah, I'll try to continue vlogging, and I don't actually have an external camera at the moment, so you probably have to deal with, you know, bad audio quality out of the GoPro, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, again, it's 5:30 almost, and yeah, the view, that's the view right there. That is the view. Oh shit, hold on a second. Actually, yung sunset ay nandun sa kabila, so you probably won't be able to see, but this is the spot. This is Chica Isla, something like that, Eco Resort, I don't know. But again, for me, 6 out of 10 as of the moment, due to the fact that coming here is so hard. It's so hard. You don't want to come here when you know, kapag may putik talaga. No, you've seen it in the footage earlier, right? So fuck that shit, I'm not going back here for this. But yeah, so far so good. But you definitely have to bring your own food and cooking ware and shit if you want to have a good time here, kasi nakakagutom. See you later.
8:01 p.m.
So I'm in my tent right now. It's got a little bit rainy, konting ambon lang, so it's no problem. So I just finished brushing my teeth, getting ready for sleep. Got my inflatable here, my helmet, shout out VRM Milano is what I've got, and yeah, I'm gonna take a good sleep while listening to some music, and see you tomorrow morning when I go ahead and try to film some B-roll, because I'm not really a fan of doing B-roll. I just don't have no talent for that. I do hope in the future that I get to do more of this stuff. And if you guys like it, you know, just leave a like. And while you're at it, just go ahead and subscribe, man. Subscribe. Just do it. Click it right now. I'm waiting. So nagsimula umambon, and my waterproof tent from Ace Hardware is not really waterproof. I guess it's water resistant. Look at this shit. So yeah, medyo by the touch it's very wet. And here, for example, kita nyo naman. So Ace Hardware, shout out. Your tent sucks as fuck. So I decided to kind of just vlog a little bit. But other than that, ambon lang naman siya, pero awan ko, the water just comes through, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if I should switch to a cottage or just stay here. I mean, hindi naman siya super wet, but water does come through, kind of. Tumatulog gawa ng, matutulog na talaga sana ako sayang. Nagising ako sa tulo. Yan. So Ace Hardware, fix this shit. You say it's waterproof, but it's pretty much not. Kaya binuksan ko muna para mawala at least yung tulo from this door, right? Good night. Yeah, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ambon, kaya nag-decide na ako lumipat ng pwesto, like I mentioned earlier. Yeah. Medyo madilim nga lang. Low light situations, right? Yung bantay ng resort, she actually chatted me. Medyo nawalaan to ko, so tambay muna ako, konting vape lang. Okay, so we just checked out, got our things ready, the motorcycle is running, beautiful sunrise, and I guess I gotta appreciate what I've got, work with that. So this is gonna be a little bit tricky again because it's kind of wet. So let's be careful with crossing this place. Dito ba yung daan nun? Parang dito ata yun eh. Saan yung labas ko kanina? Ito ba yun? I'm not sure if it's this or over there pa. But let's check it out. Oh man, I hate this. I hate this so much. Oh, madulas. Oh my god. I think I went the wrong way. Let's check it out. Yep. Oh my god, this is it. Okay. It's the same thing. Fuck me. Not again. Here, look at those tires, goddamn. God, again. My rating kind of updated from a 6 out of 10 yesterday to, just because the place is kind of beautiful, 7 out of 10. But still, I fucking don't recommend it. I mean, who the owner of this is? Come on, man. You gotta have a better way of getting there. Kahit yung ganyan lang, tol. Sementohin mo na. Grabe. Got to go. I have to eat breakfast. I'm fucking tired. Oh, damn. So, let's get back on the road. See you later. So, malapit na po tayo sa bahay. Uwi muna ako saglit. Drop off these bags. Then I'm gonna have this motorcycle washed. Again, it's borrowed. And for the nth time, thank you so much, Sir Thrice, for letting me borrow this bike. You don't just know yet, as of the moment, what it has been through yesterday in Kanina. So, I have to get this bike washed. Other than that, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. It's gonna be different now over the next few episodes and whatnot. More motocamping, I guess, vlogging, you know. I'm gonna be back and yeah, peace.